Welcome back to a sneak peek unboxing video. Today we're actually taking a look at some model kit parts. These are from Dragon from the 135th Quartermaster series M16/AR-15 family. So what these are actually polystyrene model parts in 1/35th scale and representing items from the M16 AR-15 family. These are kind of earlier models from the 20th century. And if we take a closer look on the front cover, we can see here illustrations of the included items as well as accessories. Description here says it contains 76 parts and can then model 48 models and their accessories with an age suggestion there. You can see here at the actual uh, model numbers of the M16 AR-15s. On the sides of the box, we can see here some other illustrations from other model kits in the series, barcode, and a little bit of information there, corporate level information, as well as more age appropriate information. This is model 83801, again from the 135th Quartermaster series. On this side here, we have more information in other languages, so you will need glue, possibly paint if you want to detail the pieces after assembly or during assembly. And this is from 1991. This was pricing information that we obtained it from at the time. And on the back cover, we have a summary of all the pieces. So you can see here the parts count for each separate one available. And you can always kind of mix and match, but these are the suggestions for assembly. And this is still in the shrink wrap, so I'm a little hesitant to take it out, but you can assume that you're going to have these items on polystyrene trees, and you would then need to trim them off, and you can paint them as needed and set them up in positions on, say, model figures or in a diorama scene or even a kind of a mini display uh, setup, as a kind of museum display. But taking a very quick look at something from Dragon or Dragon model line from the 135th Quartermaster series, M16 AR-15 family. This has been another unboxing or teaser video. We also do unboxing videos on the channel, as well as show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.